Hi. Another component of SEO checklist is to make sure to use headings in your blog post. Google's expert John Mueller said that Google uses headings to understand the content of a page and it helps blog posts to rank higher in Google. But here's a mistake. Most of the people uses headings that are keywords, and even if it don't make sense, they use it as a heading and try to rank higher in Google. This is a big mistake. For example, in a blog post of Ahrefs, they uses a word that was keyword. For example, start a hundreds project. Google did not know that what that is about. For example, what are you going to do in 100? Either it's gym days, either it's working days, either it's food days or diet or something else. But when they wrote start a 100 blog posts project, it became clear to Google. Additionally, you have to use hierarchy in your headings. You should not use H1 tag, then H3, then H2, then H1 again. You have to use them wisely. For example, first you use H1 tag, then you use H2 tag, and then H3, or so on, so that your blog post becomes clear to audience as well as to Google's algorithm and Google's bot. So this is a practice that you need to follow on your Google blog post. Thank you.